Okay, you want me to pray for that? Yeah. Stretch your hands towards her. Give her a husband that will fulfill that call with her. Send that young man her way. That will be a strength to her, a great support to her. She cannot do this alone, Lord. She's going into the battlefield to win souls, to snatch souls away from the enemy's camp. She needs a husband, Lord. And she needs that husband soon. Send him her way. Let him be exactly what she wants. Everything she wants about that husband. Grant it, Lord. Grant it, Lord. In the name of Jesus. I feel a great anointing for you. You sense it too, don't you?